Wel, symai pawb, dwi'n edrych ymlaen I dod yn ôl yn y Bala, unwaith eto. Really looking forward to being back in Bala this summer for Sold Out Cymru 2017. And this year, along with great friendships and fun, we're looking at encountering Jesus. Personally meeting Jesus. In John's Gospel, when people meet Jesus, everything changes for the better. Why? Because, well, mae Iesu yn ddigon. Jesus is enough for every need that our human hearts have. He's the bread of life, He's the light of the world, He's the hope of every human heart. So get yourself to Bala, and when we get there, we will encounter Jesus and everything changes, because mae Iesu yn ddigon. August the 19th to the 24th. I'm so looking forward to being there. Gobeithio bod ti'n yn dod hefyd. I hope to see you there. Bob bendith. Ta-ra.